Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to teach you how to generate a story using ChatGPT. So what you have to do is to open your ChatGPT app. As you can see here in my phone, let's open the ChatGPT app. This is the ChatGPT app. When you open it, okay, here you go to your home, the ChatGPT, you go to home, go to home. When you are there, you see list of AI assistants. You open the AI assistants, then you locate your storyteller. This is really a wonderful technology. As you can see, you can do almost everything with it. Let's open our storyteller. Okay, let's tell a story about a boy who became successful after many attempts. A boy who became successful after so many failed attempts. Okay, here we have entered. Let's send it so that we'll see what it brings out for us. As you can see, it's loading. Just give it generate